So guys, here we have a super cool looking and super tough watch. Let's unbox it. The KOSPET Tank T2 Military Grade Watch, Special Edition. Two years warranty. The box comes with a watch, a charger, extra silicone straps, extra chain to extend the original one, a user manual, some cleaning stuff, a tempered glass protector, and a tool. Looking just great. Smart sleep tracking, continues heart rate. 410 mAh battery, which can last long up to 10 to 15 days depend on your usage. It has 1.43-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass protection. You can connect your watch easily with your phone with their official KOSPET app. This app also has some features in your daily activity data, and you can find a GPS option too. You can customize your watch faces from the app and can create customized watch faces too. The always-on display option is also available with different clocks. It is US MIL STD certified, 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof rating. Built for use in rough environments without a problem. A premium feel and a very comfortable watch. The display is very bright, easy to see the screen in sunlight. The sound is very loud and good. "70 sports options. Bluetooth calling feature with one switch. You can also enable app notifications from the KOSPET app to receive notifications from Instagram, WhatsApp, and other social apps in your watch. You can also make calls from the dialer in the watch. The sound quality of calls is also very good.
Hi there. How are you? I thought you were busy somewhere, that's why you didn't respond to my call. Well, no problem. It's all right. I was just worried about you.